In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating about how to build a complex geometry using Polygon. So, we will be building this geometry using 4 polygons. But before we get started, we need to calculate all the coordinates of the points needed for the polygon. First, let us consider the polygon 1 as shown in the figure. To build this, go to Geometry tab and click on Polygon. Polygon settings window will now be open. Under the settings, we can see a toggle list titled Coordinates. This is where we have to define each of the points of the polygon that we need to create. Since the polygon we want to build has 8 points, we mention each coordinate under x and y as shown in the image. Now, for polygon 2, go to Geometry tab, click on Polygon and follow the same steps with the coordinates as shown in the image. For the third polygon, we will just mirror the polygon 2. For this, go to Geometry tab, click on Transforms and select Mirror. Now, since we are reflecting the polygon with respect to y-axis, we need to define at what length we want to reflect the polygon. Hence, for our model, we want the reflection to be created at the middle of polygon 1, which shall be 1000 micrometers in y-axis, and the normal vector to line of reflection shall be 1 for y. Make sure the checkbox for Keep Input Objects is checked, so that the copy of polygon 2 is created and not that the actual polygon is mirrored. For the final polygon, go to Geometry tab, click on Polygon and enter the coordinates of the points as shown in the image. Now, in order to create circular rounded corners of the polygon, go to Geometry tab and click on Fillet. Now, select all the points that needs to be rounded to add it to the Vertices to Fillet list. Under the radius, enter 100 and now press Build All Objects. For the final step, we will be using union under booleans and partitions to merge all the polygons and create a single object. So this is how we use polygon, mirror and fillet to create various geometry as per the requirements. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe to our channel, The Defeated Engineer.